Ngayon maralas impamo na ron at opisyal lang dintang in Northeast Monsoon Season o amyam amagdalang marimlang hangin, ang monitor na kanuning Department of Health o DOH, ing pamagtasking kaso na ning antimong influenza.
Our Epidemiology Bureau has been monitoring the increase of influenza-like illness, yung parang trangkaso, at parang tumaas nga. There are some schools that converted to online blended learning because of the number of students. So it's really the time during the rainy season where respiratory illness increases kasi nga sarado ang bintana, we're in enclosed spaces, and people can really get infected.
Inya paga na ka ng Health Secretary Ted Herbosa karing memalin ang magpa-flu vaccine lakwas na ring high-risk individuals.
So reminder to everyone, season pa rin, get the flu shot. We have flu shots at the Department of Health. So if you're high risk, especially elderly and senior citizens, magpa-flu shot kayo. And then kung kayo ay may sakit, may respiratory illness, ubo, sipon, sore throat, it is better to stay at home than infect all other colleagues in the office or in the school. So very important yung self-protection.
Dapat la naman kanuntok yan ding miyayaliwang paralan ba nga iwasan ing sakit. Kalupaan niyang panahon na pa ng COVID-19 pandemic.
Things we learned during COVID, pa-practice lang natin. Wear a mask also. The other way is masking again if you have cough, colds, or respiratory illness.
Samantala, nilino na namang Herbosa alang pamagtasking kaso ng COVID-19 king bangsa, sumangit ding bayong variant ng Omicron ang meditect king Singapore.
No, we don't have an increase in COVID cases. Singapore reported another variety of Omicron, but it's still mild and there are no deaths reported. So
sakali man mikalat at makyawa, asahan ka nung maging mild mo ing sintomas na nini, lakwas na't kera kalan ka ring memalen, ding fully vaccinated na.
We just have to watch out for. We've consumed all our bivalents actually, the 390,000 that we have. We're just hoping that the fact that most Filipinos are completely vaccinated for COVID, the symptoms will be mild. And this new variety is also like upper respiratory mild infections.
As of October 25, 2023, ating 2,912 active COVID-19 cases king Pilipinas at 289 kareni ring king Central Luzon. 28 naman kareng bilang areni iba't king Pampanga. Ako, ingke kayong talasuyo. Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.